Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for visiting my channel again. My name is Ashish Chakravarti and here I normally share my life experiences and here I share my understanding and learning in life. I have been putting up videos where I believe my experiences which I share might be helpful for people who look out for suggestions or who can connect with me or who can at least give it a thought on how things are being carried out. There are many youngsters who might be looking for advice, who might be looking out for situation, who might be in a situation where they need some information and some help on how to take care of life and how to inspire self. And here I just share my videos based on my understanding and experience, and I hope it will be helpful for people who might be looking out to enhance their life. So today's topic, I come up with everyday topic on attributes of life, what I have learned, how I carry out, how I take it in my life, and today's video is based on EMI. What is EMI? EMI is equated monthly installment. Why am I talking about EMI first of all? Because I normally speak about attributes of life in my learnings, in my experiences, and I try to share it. But yes, I believe this is one of the topic that I should discuss, wherein it is also connected to your attributes in life. See, whenever we are doing a job, we have a goal in life. We want to achieve something in life. We want to do something good for ourselves and for the society and for the community. But when we are going out for a job, no matter if it is a young guy or a girl who has recently joined a job or joined a company where he or she is working, or no matter if it is almost 10-15 years of experience like us, people who are already getting paid on a monthly basis, and still they are not able to save, still they are not able to achieve their goals, still they are always in a liability mode. There is nothing called assets in their life, and there are no saving. So basically you have to save. You have to save whenever you are doing a job. It's 24 into 7. You are carrying out your job, you are carrying out your task, all the frustrations, all the hard work, and after that, at the end of the month, you are getting a small handsome amount of money in exchange of the value and the services that you are going to give to the company and the organization where you work in. So this money is basically a salary. And for example, if somebody is earning 50,000 salary, and his expenses are almost like 70-80,000, it really becomes difficult. It absolutely becomes difficult on a long run to save money, despite we keep on increasing our expenses on a day-to-day basis, just to show off the world that we are well to do, we are well enough, and we are happy in the life. But check with yourself, speak to yourself the truth. We are not actually happy with ourselves. We are happy showing people that we are happy with ourselves, but it is not the truth. If I receive 50,000 rupees a month and my expense is 70 to 80,000 rupees a month, then it is really very difficult to cope up on a long term. And then what happens? Seeing your bank balance, seeing your salary account, you go ahead and take credit cards. People come and give you credit cards, and then you start doing online shopping. Fine, it is, maybe you are doing an online shopping of 1000 rupees, well, maybe you are doing a online shopping of 500 rupees, but slowly when you start doing these online shoppings, you go ahead with EMI plans, which is normally offered everywhere. And when you take these EMI plans, you are very comfortable paying a small amount of money every month out of your salary, and these small amounts builds up a big amount on a later basis, wherein you are putting more money, you are giving away more money to banks, you are giving away more money to online shopping platforms, and you are struggling with your life just to get that piece of shirt, just to get that piece of cloth, just to get that piece of electronics or phones or anything you say, TV, everything is available online. Until unless it is extremely emergency, or until unless you see that okay fine, the thing that you really need creates value in your life, go ahead for that, no worries. But please don't go ahead with EMI. The reason is you will be falling in a trap. You will be falling in a trap when you go ahead for EMIs. If you really want to get something, go and do the full payment yourself. If a product that you are buying is costing around 1 lakh rupees, go and give that 1 lakh rupees full, so that you know what you have in hand. But it really becomes difficult to pay that 1 lakh rupees in total together at one time. Why? Because you have always got an EMI option. Think about the moment when you failed to pay on that EMI for 1 month and the level of interest that is being charged. Think about the moment that you have given an extra 5% to 10% of interest on the EMI process that you have taken for a period of 12 months. The full 12 months you are liable to pay to the bank, you are liable to pay to your credit card, and you cannot save money. So my friends, please do save money. The reason I am saying to save money is we all are facing the same situation, and particularly past year, this year, if we do not start saving money, we are good for nothing. We are putting ourselves in a big trouble. You have a dream, I have a dream, we all have a dream, and those dreams are achieved when you are financially fit, when you are financially seeing yourself stable. When you, for example, you have 5 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees in your account, you cannot go and pursue your dream where you have liabilities, where you have EMIs, where you have payments to be made every month. So, and still you are continuing buying online products, still you are continuing buying unnecessary things, still you are going for the cinemas, you are going for weekend parties. Think about a moment, any of the cinema that you have seen, any of the cinema movies that you have seen in movie halls with your friends, and all those parties that you have done, what value it has brought in your life? Just a kick of happiness, just a small moment of happiness. Think about the moment that you hosted a party, and let's consider you have spent 5,000 or 10,000 grands. You have spent it for one night, one single night, and the day after you have to go back to your office to work. What happened to that 5,000 rupees, man? What happened? That 5,000 rupees was basically your 3 to 4 days of hard work that you have carried out in the office, and just to get a kick of happiness, you have spent that 5,000 rupees easily within seconds in one single evening. Did that 5,000 rupees came back to you? Did that 5,000 grand helped you in any way? Helped you in clearing out your EMIs? Helped you in giving any value, additional value, or increasing your wealth? No, not really. You just wasted that 5,000 giving a small kick of happiness and partying. No matter if it is a cinema hall, no matter if it is a bar or pub, any get together that you are carrying out. Do you really have to do that? Once in a blue moon, okay, fine, agreed, no problem. But if you stop that once in a blue moon also, you will start saving, you will start thinking about that. And when you see a whole lot of amount in your account, you will be proud of yourself. So my friends, don't get into these online shoppings and put yourself in a trap of EMI with the credit cards and all those things, because you will lose self-confidence. You will always be thinking about how to pay this amount, when to pay this amount. Always keep a track of paying your EMIs every month. Why to do all those things? Are those things really worth? And these takes out your focus and determination on what your goals are, how you are going to achieve your goals. These things distracts you. Going online shopping, going for weekend parties, these are all not necessary. Last year, did you go to any weekend parties? Not really, right? You could not. It was restricted. So why this year? Why any of the year? Whatever done is done. Whatever we have carried out is done. I have also made myself a promise. Unnecessary expenses, unnecessary, until unless it is creating a value in your life. A new pair of shirt, jeans, these things don't create a value in your life. Believe me, I hardly buy anything from outside until unless it is an extreme necessary, that okay fine, I don't have any options. The more you go out partying, the more you have to buy different types of shirts, different types of clothes, just to show off that you are some style icon. But tomorrow when the day rises, you have to go back to your office, and the most interesting thing is the party wear you cannot wear in the office. So that doesn't help, man. Start saving. If you start saving, if you today you see 500 rupees, tomorrow you see 5000 rupees, and slowly when you see the amount getting bigger, you get more bolder, you get more strength, rather than spending your all salaries, hard work, income into unnecessary things. So my friends, this is a humble request, a suggestion from your brother, an advice from my brother: start saving. Let's do it this way. For a period of 6 months, don't do any online shopping, don't do any outside gathering, don't go out for unnecessary partying, uh, don't go to cinemas. See the change in yourself and only focus on your goal or the thing that you want to do in your life. 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, see the change in yourself and see the change in your account balance as well. See the clearance of your credit card. There will be no EMI, there will be no liability coming in. That is the most happiest thing, man. Everybody needs that. I don't need any restrictions, I need freedom, right? So my friends, stop doing unnecessary expenses in your life which diverts you from achieving your goal. Start doing this for a period of 6 months. See the difference in yourself, see the difference in your bank balance, see the difference in clearance of your credit cards and other expenses, and then you see the difference in your confidence level, the way you speak. Thank you so much, my friends. If you really like the video, if you can really connect with me, do comment, do advise, do like the video, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.